Hey guys, in this series we will see how to delete the before given node from the list. And in our previous video, we will see different operation above the singly linked list, and we are just starting the tutorial of linked list, and in which we are start the singly linked list. Okay, guys. Then to our today our video is the delete before given node from the list and how it will work. Okay, this is the model of singly linked list. Okay, and you know what, also as the first node started by the start pointer, whatever you want to point uh, instead of start pointer. Okay, and also you know that the address of the next node is containing inside the previous node. Okay, then here the address of first node means 100 is stored inside the start pointer. Okay, and the second node which have address 102 which is stored inside the first node. Okay, and this phenomenon is running till the last node contain the null pointer. Okay, then the last node set to that and indicate that this is the last node because he is pointing to null pointer inside its next pointer. Okay, next part means then we have to delete before given node. Okay, let user give the 50. One second. User give the 50 from the list. Okay, then we have to delete the node before this node. Okay, so 50, then before the node of 50 just 40. Okay, then we have to delete the 40. Why? Because our title of this program delete before given node from the list. Okay, then user give the 50 from the list, then we have to delete 40. Okay, then here the code which is work properly for the delete before given node from the list. Okay, then first we have to create the delete function which is return with type of return struct node. Okay, this return the node pointer, I mean of address of the first node. And you know what, the if we have the address of first node, then again again the increment in this next pointer, then we can face all the member of the singly linked list. Okay, then inside this function we are just declared that a struct node ptr cpt temp pt and ppt pointer. Okay, then and we have also take a input int n. First we have to do what, ptr is equal to start, temp is equal to start. Okay, then here ptr also pointing to first node and temp is also pointing to first node. Okay, here start, ptr and temp, they are pointing to the first node. Okay, and here we just assign the null pointer null cpt is equal to null. Okay, let here we have to check that the list is empty or not. Then there are condition when our list is empty. If our start pointer is equal to null, it means that start uh, start is not pointing to any other node, it means start is null and list is empty. Okay, then here we have to check start is equal to null, it means that our list is empty, then we are returned from this function. Okay, but else else this condition fail, then we have to move in else part. Okay, then we are just declare ppt is equal to start ka next. Okay, then start next, it means that start next is equal to 40. Okay, this is the 40, it means this is a ppt. Okay, okay, then we are give the message to the user for the input node from the list. Okay, so then enter node from the list, and using scanf we have to take a input address of n. Okay, let user give n is equals to 50. Okay, 50. Then first we have to check that ppt of data is equal to n. What, where is your ppt? Then ppt is pointing to the second node. Okay, then we check that uh, ppt data is equal to n. Not the data of ppt is 40 and n is a 50, then this condition is fails. This condition is fails, then we have to move from the else condition. Okay, then in else, inside the else condition, while condition is start, and check the ptr not equals to null and ptr of data not equals to n. Okay, then ptr, what ptr not equal to null? Yes, ptr not equal to null because ptr is a pointing to the first node, and ptr of data not equal to n. Yes, the data of ptr is not equal to 50 because the data of ptr is 30. Okay, then this is satisfied this condition. Okay, then we are going inside this while loop, and cpt is equal to ptr, then cpt is equal to ptr, then here other pointer cpt is equal to ptr, cpt is equal to ptr, and ptr is equal to ptr of next. It means ptr is moved from here to here. Okay, then this is the ptr. Wait, it becomes ptr. Okay, assume that this is ptr, and again this while condition is repeated. Again this condition is repeated. uh, what ptr not equals to null? Yes, ptr is not equal to null because the pointer of the next part of ptr is 104, and ptr of data not equal to n. Yes, the value of n is 50, and the value of data of the ptr is 40, then it is satisfied again this condition. Then we have to going inside this while loop and check and assigned cpt is equal to ptr. It means cpt is cancelled from the here, and cpt is equal to ptr. Okay, and ptr is equal to ptr का next. मतलब ptr अभी यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Okay, then the ptr is pointing to this node, and again the while condition is repeated. Okay, what ptr not equals to null? Yes, ptr is not equal to null. Okay, and the data of ptr is not equal to n. No, here the data of ptr is 50 and n is also 50. Then this condition becomes fail. Okay, then we are just come out from this while loop. Okay, here some condition is checked. If ptr is equals to null, then printf data is not found. But here ptr is not equal to null because the next part of ptr is 106. Okay, then this condition is false. Then we are going to the else condition. Else condition and check while temp not equal to cpt and temp is not equal to null. Then guys, see here, temp is pointing to the first node. Okay, temp is pointing to the first node, and cpt pointing to this node. Okay, then temp is not equal to cpt. Yes, temp जो है और cpt के इक्वल टू भी नहीं है. जब cpt के इक्वल टू नहीं है, then this while condition is true. Then we are going inside this while loop. Okay, then and also here, and also check the temp is not equal to null. Yes, temp is not equal to null because temp is pointing to the 102. Okay, then pt is equal to temp. Okay, we have other pointer which name is pt. Okay, then pt is equal to temp. It means here the pt pointer is equal to temp, and temp is equal to temp of next. Okay, मतलब मेरा जो temp है वो ट्रेवर्स करेगा वन स्टेप आगे. तो temp is pointing to 40. Okay, temp मेरा अब इसको पॉइंट करने लगा. Now again the while loop is repeated to check the condition. Temp not equal to cpt. Once the check temp is not equal to cpt but temp is equal to cpt, then this condition becomes fail. Then we have to come out from this while loop and check, sorry, not check the some statements which is executable for the purpose of the delete the before given node. Okay, then pt of next is equal to ptr. Okay, then pt is pointing to the first node. Okay, the pt is pointing to the first node. Then it will say that pt of next is equal to ptr. It means the next part of ptr is pointing to the ptr. Okay, pointing to the ptr, and free cpt, and we have to free the cpt. Okay, then and return the start, and from this function we have return the first pointer, and finally uh, we get this type of singly linked list. Wait, I just erase and set to you. This is the free from the memory fragment. Okay, and it will form like this, and uh, the 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 next part of pt is pointing to ptr. It means that here we have to take a address of 104 because this is the address of ptr. And finally we are just deleted the before given node 50 and finally our singly linked list look like that. Okay guys, आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपको समझ में आया होगा. लेकिन गाइज अगले नेक्स्ट वीडियो में गाइज हम देखेंगे कैसे इसका हम कोडिंग करेंगे और इसे कैसे हम रन करते हैं. रन करने के बाद हमें एग्जैक्ट आउटपुट कैसे मिलेगा, वो सब सारी चीज़ों को हम एक्चुअली देखेंगे. ओके गाइज, तो अभी के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. और अगर आप चैनल में पहली बार आए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर दें. थैंक यू सो मच.